Skyscrapers, these towering giants dominate the skylines of our cities, standing as symbols of human ambition and engineering prowess. But have you ever wondered how these massive structures are made and why they are built the way they are? Today, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore the incredible process of constructing a skyscraper, from foundation to spire. Before we dive into how skyscrapers are built, let's first understand why they exist. As cities around the world grow more crowded, land becomes scarce and expensive. The solution? Build up instead of out. Skyscrapers allow us to maximize the use of limited land, creating space for offices, homes, and shops, all stacked one on top of the other. But building tall isn't just about space. It's about creating landmarks, symbols of power, and technological triumphs that push the boundaries of what's possible. The journey of a skyscraper begins long before the first shovel hits the ground. Architects and engineers collaborate closely to design a building that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound. This phase involves extensive planning, including simulations and stress tests, to ensure the skyscraper can withstand natural forces like wind, earthquakes, and even its own weight. Modern skyscrapers are often designed with advanced software that allows teams to visualize the entire building in 3D, testing everything from the flow of people inside to the effects of wind outside. Once the design is finalized, construction begins with the foundation. For a skyscraper, the foundation is crucial. It needs to support the immense weight of the building and keep it stable. Depending on the soil and environmental conditions, builders might use deep foundations like piles or caissons that extend hundreds of feet into the ground. These support the load and prevent the building from sinking or tipping. Concrete and steel are the primary materials used, creating a strong, stable base that can handle the skyscraper's massive weight. With the foundation in place, it's time to start building up. The skeleton of most skyscrapers is made of steel, which is both strong and flexible, essential for a tall structure that must sway slightly in the wind without breaking. Massive cranes lift steel beams into place, where they're bolted or welded together to form the building's frame. This process requires precision and teamwork, as each piece must fit perfectly to maintain the building's structural integrity. As the framework rises, floors are added, creating the internal structure that will support everything from office spaces to utilities. Next comes the exterior, where the skyscraper starts to take on its iconic appearance. The outside of the building is often covered in a curtain wall, a non-structural outer layer that can be made of glass, metal, or other materials. This not only gives the skyscraper its look, but also protects it from the elements and helps with insulation. Glass is a popular choice because it lets in natural light, but it must be carefully engineered to withstand wind pressure, temperature changes, and even the occasional bird strike. While the outside might be what catches your eye, the inside of a skyscraper is just as impressive. Modern skyscrapers are like vertical cities, with complex systems for elevators, plumbing, electricity, and HVAC. Elevators are especially critical. They are the lifeblood of tall buildings, moving people quickly and efficiently between floors. Engineers carefully design these systems to ensure safety, efficiency, and comfort for the thousands of people who might work or live in the skyscraper. Safety is a top priority in skyscraper design. These buildings are equipped with advanced fire suppression systems, emergency stairwells, and even dampers, giant weights that counteract the sway of the building in high winds. But today's skyscrapers are also designed with sustainability in mind. Many are built to be energy efficient, using advanced materials, natural lighting, and renewable energy sources. Some skyscrapers even include green spaces, such as rooftop gardens, that help reduce the urban heat island effect and improve air quality. Skyscrapers are more than just tall buildings. They're feats of engineering, art, and innovation. As technology advances, we're seeing the rise of smart skyscrapers that adapt to their environment, buildings that generate their own energy, and structures that reach heights we once thought impossible. The skyscrapers of tomorrow will continue to redefine our cities and push the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows what heights we'll reach next? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of modern engineering.